Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a Microsoft account for Minecraft. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for the sake of that, first of all you have to simply download the Outlook app of yours. Now go ahead, open it up. Right over here you will find this kind of interface, right? If you would like to create an account, tap on this create a new account option in the bottom. Now add in the new email, tap on next, and you can see someone already has this email address. Try another name or claim one of these that's available. It's saying now all I have to do is to come over here and add some new character so it can be available for me. Tap on next again. And now you can see I would have to simply create myself a password. Once you're done, tap on this next option in the bottom. Go ahead, enter your first name and your last name. Tap on next. Enter your country and region. Further, enter your birth date and tap on next. You can see you will find this kind of interface. Go ahead, tap on this next. Submit. Once the verification is completed, you just have to wait for a while till it loads. Once it's done, you will be able to simply see this kind of interface. You simply have to tap on this next option in the bottom section, tap on accept, continue to Outlook, and maybe letter, and there you go. You have successfully created yourself a new Outlook aka Microsoft account. Now for the Minecraft, you simply have to open the app up, select sign in, enter this email address that you just created, and then enter your password as well that you created. And now simply in the drop downs, select your country or region and set your birth date. Check your email for a verification code of this Microsoft. Come over here, check out the inbox and copy the code, paste it, and you will be able to create yourself Minecraft account using Microsoft account. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.